How to fix Netflix login not working on mobile or TV. Hello, everybody. If you're having any kind of login issues on your mobile or TV for Netflix, you can follow up these steps. So, the first thing is if you have Netflix, if it is not working both on mobile and TV, you can start by restarting the devices and your internet router. So, you can restart your mobile device. For that, long press on the power button and look out for restart option. Similarly, you can even restart your TV and even your internet router and wait for a bit. If that doesn't work, what you can do is check your internet connection. So go to settings for that and go to the connection section. And when you head over there, you should be finding Wi-Fi and mobile data. Ensure both of your devices connected to the correct Wi-Fi network. And if you're using a wired connection, make sure the connection is securely connected. And consider restarting your home network as described. After that, you can even go ahead and clear the cache and data if you're on phone. So long press on Netflix app, go to the app info. You can also access it through your settings and scroll down, go to storage. And from there, you can go ahead and clear the cache and go ahead and clear the cache for your Netflix app. And that is it. You can also follow the same process for clearing the cache on TV. It can vary by manufacturer, but you can usually find it within the device's settings, and that's it. So you can follow this process if you'd like to fix Netflix login not working for now. So I hope this information was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.